Today we're going to show you how to remove the intake on a 1998 Chrysler Town & Country. This car has a 3.8 liter 6-cylinder engine. To remove the intake, you're going to need to take out these screws here, loosen up this screw clamp here, and this screw clamp here. To do this job, you're going to need a flathead screwdriver, a ratchet, and a 10mm socket. So using a 10mm socket, we're going to take these screws out. Next, we're going to unscrew or loosen the screw clamp here. We're going to loosen this screw clamp here. In addition to doing all that, you're going to need to remove this hose here. So now we're going to take the intake off the throttle body here. And then lift it up here and pull it out. And that's how you remove the intake. So now we're going to reinstall our intake. Connect it into the throttle body. And then connect it over here. I'm going to reconnect this hose here. So now we're going to just reinstall the screw. Now we're going to retighten our screw clamp. Now we're going to retighten our screw clamp there. That's how you remove and reinstall the intake on a 1998 Chrysler Town & Country.